Hello and welcome back to Keepin' Up in Disney. It's been a while since we've done like an unboxing or merch video or anything too, but I have a package that I received that I'm actually very excited for, so figured we'd share it here on the channel again. It's a box from Funko. I'm gonna kind of explain what it is, show it, and then we're gonna crack some of these mystery items open that I'm super excited to see. So come join me as we look at this awesome new Funko.com exclusive. So this is, I'll put a picture up from the website. It's a Peter Pan 6-pack of Funko Sodas that actually come in a really cool like Funko Cooler bag, and it's supposed to be like an insulated cooler bag that you could actually use as a cooler if you wanted, I guess, but primarily I think I'll probably just like store the sodas in it because it looks pretty cool. We'll see. With the Funko Sodas, they're for the Peter Pan 70th anniversary, I believe, and there's 6 of them. So there's Captain Hook, Mr. Smee, Wendy, Peter Pan, TikTok, and Tinkerbell. And I'll put a picture up like right here, a screenshot of the reason why the Funko Sodas are so exciting is because there's a 1 in 6 chance that they could have a chase variant of the normal one. So it's kind of like a special, interesting version, and they're random and you don't know which you're gonna get. So on the screen, what I have are the normal ones, all the normal versions, and then right now, I'll throw up a picture of the chase variants of all the ones from the Funko Soda pack. So I'm excited to open them up. I'm excited to see the cooler even, and then also crack open the sodas and find out which ones we got, if we got any chases, and just take a look at them. So let's do it. I'm gonna open up this box. Okay, so I see the cooler. So that's pretty cool. It says soda on it, and it's a Loungefly cooler, so Disney Loungefly Funko Soda Cooler. And it's got some kind of cool, like, zipper pulls have the Funko crowns on them, and it's got print of Neverland, the clock, Peter Pan, Wendy, and the kids flying, just a bunch of other really cool details. I already really like the cooler, actually. And it looks like you got a handle on the top here to carry it with. And then there's also a big actual strap, kind of sealed in this plastic, so you could attach this too and use it as like an over-the-shoulder cooler type bag. So I guess it is pretty functional and nice too. And on the tag too, it is a Funko.com exclusive, kind of like I mentioned, and it is limited edition of 12,000 pieces. So I think that the set is 12,000 pieces. Like there were 12,000 of these sets sold with the soda coolers and the Funko sodas inside. Let's open it up and take a look at the actual sodas. That's what I'm really, really excited for. Ooh, there they are, and you can kind of see, so the inside of the cooler, it's cool. It has Funko printed all over it with the logo too, and it is like an insulated inner material. And we got all the sodas with some dividers, so take them out one by one and just start them off. So who would be good to start with? Let's start with Mr. Smee. He's over here, and then we'll just make our way around. And so a Funko Soda, if you've never seen one, this is the Mr. Smee one. And on the can it says limited edition, 12,000 pieces too, and you can kind of see that labeling there for the Peter Pan 70th anniversary. And then on the sodas too, see it kind of says, find the chase, and it has that little mystery figure. So if you kind of saw the photo that I put up before of what the chases are, I think Mr. Smee is like holding a beer. So he was one that I actually really, really would like the chase for, so let's do it. And there is a 1 in 6 chance that you get the chase variant, so out of the 6-pack in this cooler, there should hopefully be at least one chase. Maybe we'll get lucky and get more than one. Maybe we'll get none. I guess we're gonna find out. And then you open up the can, and then inside of here, the actual figure is in a little bag too. And then underneath it in the bottom, there's a little coin saying which one you got too. So you can kind of cheat and look in the bottom and see if you got the chase by the coin, but I typically try to avoid that so I can be surprised when opening the bag. So I did not look in the bottom of the can yet. Let's open it up. Here we go. Very, very strong, like vinyl smell. Oh, and it's just normal Mr. Smee, but that's totally okay. He is awesome. I actually really like the soda figures too. I think they're super cool, and they've always got really, really good details. So there's the Mr. Smee Funko Soda, the non-chase variant. So we'll keep opening, and hopefully we do get some chases, but I still like him a lot, no matter what. And then too, we'll take a look at the coin so you can see. It says Smee, and he's 1 out of 10,000. So I think that means since there were 12,000 pieces, there's 2,000 chase variants, which is that 1 out of 6 chance. But this is just the normal one, and then it's got the character on the back of the coin usually. So we'll go ahead for now. He'll go back in his soda. And when we do get through all of them, we'll take a look at all the sodas at the end too and just kind of show them off because they're so much fun. Okay, so we're cracking open the second one in line. Or who's in the back? Okay, we're gonna go like this. We'll go front to back, and go through it like that. Now we've got TikTok, the crocodile, who Captain Hook is very scared of, and his is one of the most not noticeable of the chase variants. It looks like he's kind of just like a deeper green neonish color for the chase variant, so we'll see. Maybe it'll look really, really cool if I actually get it though. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna open the can again. Maybe. This is a particularly hard one to pop. This one is sealed so tight. Wow. That was a struggle, but we got it open. And now we're gonna take a look at TikTok. Again, I'm not gonna look at the coin. We're saving the surprise. He looks pretty cool. Again, this one is the one where I can't really tell the chase the most. I don't think this one is the chase, but he's still so cool. Like, look at the details on the sodas. They're really, really fun. I love these. And they're just kind of a different shape than normal Funko Pops and really fun. They're really solid too. I like them. Okay, yeah, so not the chase. We'll look at the coin again. It's TikTok, 1 out of 10,000. He is so cool. I really, really like him. So now he will go back to his soda can for now. No chase variants so far. We're 0 for 2, but we've got 4 more sodas to open. Okay, so we're gonna keep going in the same order. We're gonna go front and middle now. And this is Peter Pan. And Peter Pan's chase variant is actually really cool too. It's like his shadow, so it's like a darker Peter Pan that looks like his shadow. Same thing for Peter in all of them, 12,000 pieces, and it's for the 70th anniversary. That one was nice and easy. Not looking at the coin. Here we go. Got a good feeling about Peter. Oh, it's the chase. Okay, his was so easy to see at first. Could tell it was the dark one. Okay, so we got one chase. Woo woo. He's so cool. So that's what a chase variant looks like, and I'm so glad that I got at least one so I could show. And it's always so exciting getting the chases. Now we can look at the coin too, and we actually have a chase coin. So you found the chase, 1 out of 2,000 for Peter Pan's shadow. That's so cool. I'm so happy I got a chase. Go back in the can for now. So after getting the chase variant of Peter Pan, I'm so excited to keep going through more of the sodas. We're gonna keep going in our order. Gonna go for this back middle one, and this is, oh, it's Wendy. And Wendy is the one that actually, so Jamie, when she saw the normal variants and the chase variants, Wendy was the one that she liked the most and wanted the most. I actually really like the Wendy one too. Her dress is almost like a sparkly blue dress instead of a flat blue. Almost kind of like a diamond version of a Funko Pop, but here we go. I'm super excited to open up Wendy. Her can is also very difficult. Okay, so here we go. I'm not gonna look at the coin. I would love to get the chase of Wendy and 2 chases in 1 pack. That would be amazing, but we'll see. Normal. It's not the chase, but oh, she looks so cool. So check out Wendy. She's so cool. I really like her. She looks super excited to go fly with Peter Pan. Got the blue bow in the back and the blue dress, so she's so cool. And here's her coin. We got Wendy, 1 of 10,000, and there she is on the back. Okay, we got 2 more. Start with this one, and this one is Tinkerbell. We have a dog named Tinkerbell too, so we always love Tinkerbell stuff. I actually, for this one though, the chase variant is funny. It's like angry red Tinkerbell with a thimble on her head, but it would be cool to get the chase, but I actually I like the normal version of this one better, the way it looks, so we'll see. I'd be happy with either. And it's normal Tinkerbell. And there she is, that's so cool. And she's got wings on the back, and that's just a really fun Funko Soda. She's so cool. And we've got the coin for the Tinkerbell soda, 1 of 10,000. That's so cool. Okay, so we are on to the last soda of the bunch. It is Captain Hook. It would be really cool to score another chase, but I'm pretty happy with the Peter Pan shadow chase, so we'll see. If it's 1 out of 6, then the odds are pretty accurate, but it would be really cool to get a second one. I think the chase of Captain Hook, he's actually holding like a clock, so we'll see. The last one. This has been so much fun though, and if you've enjoyed getting to see the cooler, any of the soda surprises, or any of the content so far, we would really appreciate if you could give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel and ringing that bell so you can be notified when we do more of these Funko merch hauls, any of our other fun Disney content, or our other general adventures. So with that, let's get on to Captain Hook. Oh, there he is. And it's not the Chase variant, but he's so cool still. I love Captain Hook. Look at him there with his hook. And the details on the sodas are just so good, and they're really fun kind of pop figures. So there's Captain Hook, and here's his coin. So we got Captain Hook 1 out of 10,000 again, and there he is on the back. Okay, so we looked at all of the sodas, all 6 of them from the pack. Let's take a look back at all of the different individual figures. And now you can kind of get a better look at the cooler too. I mean, it's not a huge cooler. You could probably realistically, like if you wanted to, fit a few actual sodas in here. Probably like 6 exactly, loaded up with, I don't know, whatever you like, beverage of your choice. But it's just kind of cool that it's like a Funko Loungefly Disney soda cooler that actually has insulation. And the outside, it's not like a faux leather either. It's kind of that like canvasy type material. And the print is actually really cool. So I'm a fan of the cooler lunchbox type thing even. And then the fact that it came with a 6-pack of sodas too to open and get to try for some chases too, and it's all themed to Peter Pan for the 70th. So I believe as of the time right now, still filming this video, the soda pack is still on the website, the Funko website. It's a funko.com exclusive. I believe it retails for $99.99, but they do have free shipping over $50, so shipping is free, and I thought it was pretty worth it for getting the bag and the 6 of the sodas. The sodas themselves usually retail like $15, so already that right there is like $90 worth of sodas, and then you get the bag on top, and I think it's well worth the price, and I'm really happy with it, and I'm glad that I got 1 chase out of the bunch of 6. So again, let's take a look back at those figures, and then we'll kind of put them back in the soda case and close it out there. So we got Mr. Smee. There he is. TikTok. He's so cool too. And there's him with Mr. Smee. Peter Pan. Chase variant Peter Pan. Peter Pan's shadow. So here's those 3 so far together. Wendy in her blue dress with the blue bow. She looks awesome. And that's all of them so far. They're so cool, all the cast of Peter Pan together, and we still got 2 more. Can't forget about Tinkerbell. What a wonderful bunch. Tinkerbell, Peter Pan, and Wendy. And last but certainly not least, we've got Captain Hook. And he's really cool too. So it's kind of like, take a look at all of them together. I think these 3 look good together too, because it's like Mr. Smee, TikTok, and Captain Hook. And then we also had Peter Pan, Wendy, and Tinkerbell, and look at all of them together. So we've got all 6 of the Funko Sodas, 1 Chase variant. It's Peter Pan's shadow there. He looks so cool. And this was just really fun, opening them all up, getting to see these 70th anniversary Peter Pan Funko Sodas along with their little cans, and just the thrill of the chase, opening them up and getting a surprise. And I was so surprised when this Chase Peter Pan comes out. It's always so exciting opening one and finding a chase. So if you've never done a Funko Soda, I love them. I definitely recommend checking some out. They have them for like almost every fandom or movie, so if there's something you like, there's probably a soda for it. We've actually done some others on the channel before quite a few times, so if you're interested in checking those out, I'll put some links in the description, and also I'll try to put a couple above kind of while this video is playing, so you can check those out too. But sodas are just so much fun, and then this was, you know, like a nice little added bonus because it came with the cooler too, which is just cool and kind of unique. So all of the sodas are back into the cooler. I think I'm just gonna keep them there for now because I don't have any immediate reason to use the cooler, and they just look kind of nice in there. It's like a cool little storage case for the sodas, like a little box of Peter Pan collectibles, and I love it. So I'd say I'm very happy with this purchase, and it was just so much fun to look at the different sodas and get to see all of the fun Peter Pan ones and try for some of those chases. I hope you enjoyed getting to see opening up this Funko.com exclusive Peter Pan 70th Anniversary Soda Cooler with a 6-pack of Peter Pan themed Funko Sodas inside with chances for chase variants. It was really cool, and again, I think this is $99.99 on their website. I'll also put like a screenshot of the product on the website there and make sure that it's still available. It is at the time of filming this, so I hope it still is in case you're interested in getting it, because it's really cool. It's really unique. They've never done something like this before with the coolers and the pack of sodas, so let me know what you think in the comments too. Like, do you think this is cool? Is it kind of weird? Are you into Funko Sodas? Do you think having an actual soda cooler that's actually insulated and could function as a cooler is a bit strange, or I don't know. If nothing else, I think it's like a cool storage case, so I'm into it for sure. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. And again, if you did enjoy this video and getting to see these, we would so appreciate if you could give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing and ringing that bell button so you can be notified when we do post more videos. We have a lot of Disney content, some of our random travels, going to different theme parks and other fun places. We're planning out like a road trip for this summer and a few other cool things maybe for the fall and even into the winter. So we still have tons of Disney vlogs coming too from our trip that we just went on in April. We just recently posted a Hollywood Studios Day and our Roundup Rodeo Barbecue review, so if you haven't seen those yet, check them out too. And as always, thanks for keeping up in Disney, and we will see you real soon. Bye!